Takes you directly to that page. We have many databases, and what you see here is just a partial listing. And it's good to know that there are specialized databases for searching certain topics, but for what we're doing right now, we're going to use Academic OneFile. Okay, so the default setup when the page loads is usually at keyword, and then you can change it to different types of searches, but for what we're doing right now, the keyword search will be fine. And so I'm going to add my search terms: alcoholism, college students. And so this is a default here as well. You do a keyword search, it will show you academic journal results first. You also have some different types of sources. You have 51 magazine articles, 267 newspaper articles. That sort of depends on the level of the research you're doing. Do you need the high level peer-reviewed academic journal type material, or can you use something more in the popular press, popular magazines, or newspapers? That's something you'll always need to check with the teacher about what type of sources are acceptable. Okay, so here you have the answer to Activity 5, that there are 264 academic journal articles in this search. So I can copy that, switch back over to Populi, and paste that in, and so I'm done with that activity. It's always important to know how to focus or narrow your topic. If you get so many search results and there's just so much to go through, I think an important next step is, okay, what's your focus? What is it you really want to look at in the most detail? And so let's say we're interested in counseling, and I want to keep looking for full text. I add the word counseling. Now I'm down to 81. Notice, and I think that's a good sign when you're doing research, is that you can chop off a lot of things that may not be as useful for you as some other things. You want to get to the things that get you to your focus most quickly and directly. Okay, so Populi the tutorial asks for what is the title of the 8th article in the search results. Okay, so I just count off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and do copy and paste here. And so I finished activity number 6. You think you want to spend some time with and go into and read and see if it's what you're looking for. Then here I've got the full text article. And you notice that it's highlighted my search terms with red letters. So when I search for alcoholism, college students, those are highlighted now. It did not highlight the search within results term. And so if I'm looking for, I don't maybe have time, or it would be difficult to read through the whole article, I can use the Chrome feature, or most browsers will give you the option to search for a particular word or phrase in the text. So if I click on the 3 bars, go to the Find option here, so I can add counseling. And so now I can use this Chrome feature to help me kind of find the part of the article that's going to maybe talk about counseling the most. So here, maybe this is a quote. It might be related to what Populi is asking for. Here it's talking about maybe the benefits of completing an online program in between counseling sessions, something that's maybe not always face-to-face. Okay, so all I have to do is copy and paste there. And that finishes this part of the tutorial.